Down to the wire. Mastering the art of last-minute success. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an exciting phrase that you've probably heard but might not fully understand: down to the wire. This expression is a fantastic example of how English can pack a lot of meaning into just a few words. By the end of this video, you'll not only grasp what it means but also how to use it effectively in your conversations. Down to the wire is an idiom that means waiting until the last possible moment to do something, especially when there's a deadline or when the outcome is uncertain until the very end. The phrase originates from horse racing, where a wire was strung above the finish line to help determine the winner in close races. Thus, a race that goes down to the wire is one where the result is undecided until the very moment the horses cross the finish line. To help you understand how down to the wire is used in everyday English, let's look at a few examples. Project deadlines. The team worked on the project right down to the wire, submitting it just before the deadline. Sports games. The game went down to the wire, with the winning goal scored in the final seconds. Personal tasks. I always pack for trips down to the wire. I can't seem to do it ahead of time. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, from professional to personal scenarios, always indicating a situation that's resolved at the last moment. Now that you're familiar with what down to the wire means and how it's used, let's talk about incorporating it into your own English. This phrase is perfect for situations where you want to convey tension, excitement, or the rush of a deadline. Remember, idioms like this one can add flavor to your language and help you sound more like a native speaker. Practice sentences. Try creating your own sentences using down to the wire. For instance, I always do my best work down to the wire. The pressure helps me focus. Thank you for joining us to explore the phrase, down to the wire. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting expression and that you feel more confident using it in your conversations. English is a rich language full of idioms and expressions, and mastering them is a key step in becoming fluent. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Happy learning!